should I pee or what?
I think this place I got beat up at.
Man, should I pee again or no?
If you got to, do it, dude.
I got to go. I'm like scared I'm gonna fall out the window.
I'm scared you're gonna fall out the window too.
Just
Hold on, I hit my dick ready.
handle your dick, dude. Handle it.
Woo!
This is the best night of my life.
Eat it up! I'm going. Oh my god, I'm really peeing out the window. Whoa! Whoa, Fanders! Whoa, easy, dude. Easy. I can't even tell where my pee is going. I think I'm peeing all over Rich's face. Woo!
I'm not feeling nothing, so we're good.
I slowed down for you, okay?
Whoa, whoa, stop. I pissed all over myself. Oh my god, I pissed all over my shirt. This is not funny anymore. This is really not
Why did you do this,
funny. Oh my
Alex?
god, there's a
Get the tissues. Get the tissues, dude.
Oh my god. Bring this to... Let me turn the light on. Oh my god, Alex, what the fuck is wrong with you, dude?
No wonder why Zach hangs out with you guys.
I ain't gonna tell him.
I'm not telling shit.
Smells now, dude.
I'm good, dude.
Oh my god, dude, you
Part of
got
this
all over
is
the
free.
seatbelt
Walk
and
away from
shit.
my house.
You got all over the seatbelt.
That's good. I mean, it's
Oh my
fine.
god, do I piss everywhere?
You throw that out,
Ew.
Gorelick. Throw that out. That's
Ew.
ew. It's a pee napkin.